Lines and Angles from Class 9, Lecture 2, Module 5. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, find C. Solution. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. Therefore, A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. A plus B equal to POX. POX equal to 90 degree because angle POX plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. So, angle A plus B equal to 90 degree. So, 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. So, 5x equal to 90 degree. So, x equal to 90 degree by 5. So, that is 18 degree. So, A equal to 2x. So, A equal to 2 into 18 degree. That is 36 degree. B equal to 3x. So, B equal to 3 into 18 degree. That is 54 degree. Angle MOX plus angle XON equal to 180 degree since they are linear pair. So, B plus C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 54 degree that we got earlier from B plus C equal to 180 degree. So, C equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree, that is equal to 126 degree. Hence, C equal to 126 degree. Module 6. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced at point P. If ray QI bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Angle XYZ is given as 64 degree. So let us draw the angle XYZ. So angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. That is equation number 1. Now XY is produced to point P. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Let ZYQ equal to angle QYP equal to X because YQ bisects angle ZYP. That means the angle ZYQ and angle QYP will be equal. So angle ZYP equal to 2x. Angle ZYX plus angle ZYP equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Angle XYZ is already given as 64 degree plus angle ZYP we already got as 2x. So we will replace that value equal to 180 degree. So that we got already from equation 1 and 2. So 2x equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. So that is coming 58 degree. So x is 58 degree. Angle XYQ equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZQY. So 64 plus we already got the value of x. So we replace that value, that is 58. So that comes 122 degree. Now we need to find reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP equal to 360 degree minus angle QYP. That is equal to 360 degree minus, we already got the value of x as 58. So reflex angle QYP equal to 302 degree. Module 7. In figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Solution. Angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree because they are linear pairs. Equation number 1. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180 degree because they are also linear pairs. Equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, we have angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Since in each side we got 180 degree. So we can name it equation number 3. Since it is already mentioned that angle PQR is equal to PRQ, so we can cancel these two angles. So what we got? Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Module number 8. In figure, If x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. That is, we need to prove that x plus y equal to 180 degree or w plus z equal to 180 degree. Solution. Since the sum of all angles round a point is equal to 360 degree, therefore angle BOC plus angle COA plus angle BOD plus angle AOD equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. So, x plus y, we can replace this with w plus z because it is already mentioned in the question that x plus y is equal to w plus z plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 2w plus 2z equal to 360. So 2 within bracket w plus z equal to 360. So w plus z equal to 180 degree. Thus, angle BOC and angle COA forms linear pairs. Consequently, OA and OB are two opposite rays. Therefore, AOB is a straight line. Module line. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to half of within bracket angle QOS minus POS. Solution. Since OR is perpendicular to the line PQ, therefore angle POR and angle ROQ each are 90 degree. So angle POS and ROS equal to angle ROQ. Angle POS plus angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle ROS. Therefore, angle ROS plus angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Therefore, 2 of angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So if we transpose 2 on the right hand side, we will get angle ROS equal to half within bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. Thank you.